Hello world, welcome back to the Razor RC, and today we're going to be answering the question, who makes the BEEFiest RC products? Is it Arma? Is it Team Corrale? Is it Traxxas? No, it's CowRC, of course, the BEEFiest products. But on a more serious note, CowRC has long been established as basically the leader in maintenance items for your RC cars, especially on the dirt side, the nitro side, the A-scale side. They're very, very popular, and they were kind enough to send me some products out here to take a look at. So I have to be honest, I've actually had a bunch of stuff in my shopping cart from CowRC. Hadn't quite pulled the trigger on buying the stuff, so this is something I've been long wanting to try out, and so big shout out to them for sending these out for review. So there are some cool little products here. First off, the basically the parts tray mats. So they got a bunch of different sizes. They got kind of this large one here for working on your RC car. These are pretty cool because they do have actually a magnetic backing. So underneath the whole bottom is essentially magnetic. So if you got screws and stuff, they don't roll around, they don't slide around. They will basically just stay there. Obviously, I like little tray compartments and stuff like that. Make small ones like this, which I think would be better for kind of throwing in your pit bag, whatever, throwing on your workstation out there at the track, so you can, if you're working on your car, you got a few little things. If you're taking things apart, they got more of a medium size here, which I think would be good for working on building an 8 scale or a 10 scale vehicle. So a little bit smaller, but about perfect size for putting together a kit. And then they got this large one, which obviously takes up most of a pit space and for working on your car, or I don't know, maybe doing a little maintenance, that kind of thing. It is vinyl backed. It is white. They do recommend not using like tire traction additives or anything while you're working on the vehicle, because it can stain this white background, but it is vinyl, it does clean up. Also, it's obviously not a cutting board or anything like that, but reasonably thick actually, and reasonably tough. So that's pretty cool on the parts tray side. And then on to their maintenance items. So first off, we got the MooClean, which is basically like a wash for your RC car. I know a lot of people out there on YouTube recommend simple green crystal, I think it's called Crystal Clear or Crystal Wash or something like that. It's basically like a foam on spray. Me personally, I found that actually attacks the plastics, especially on the ESCs, and I found my ESC plastics basically becoming really brittle and actually cracking and breaking, so I do not recommend using that simple green crystal wash or whatever it's called. MooClean is plastic safe, so this is something you will use to actually clean super dirty cars. You basically just spray it on, let it sit for a minute or two, maybe agitate with a brush if you have a really dirty car, and then you can blow it off. I like using something like this, which is kind of a compressed air thing that you just plug in and it just shoots out air at your vehicle. CowRC also makes a similar product. If you want something convenient, sort of handheld, they can use to blow off all the dirt, all the wash, all that kind of stuff. So that's pretty simple to use, and it's nice that you don't have to hose it down. So water is the enemy of RC cars. You don't want to leave things all wet, and it's definitely a good idea to blow it off. And something like this will clean out the car and allow you to blow it off. So that's pretty cool for your washing your vehicle. I'm going to try that out. They also make kind of like a motor spray type of product. So this is MooClean. It's an electrical cleaner and degreaser. So if you have really greasy parts, diff gears, maybe internal gears, drive shafts, that kind of thing, you really want them super clean, you would spray it with this. Also gets off nitro. So for all you nitro guys, that's one way you're going to be able to clean your vehicle. So it is an electrical cleaner, just like motor spray, and it's pretty cool. Cow produces that. And then you got the MooSlick. So this is like a silicone spray, kind of a conditioner after you cleaned up your vehicle. It's all ready to go. It's all nice and clean. Throwing this onto the vehicle basically puts like a thin layer of silicone through the whole plastics. You can put on hinge pins, basically protect the parts. And it allows it to basically repel dirt as well. So, if for those dirty outdoor conditions, I've been recently getting the 8 scale. My cars come down filthy. So throwing a little bit of layer of this before all that dirt gets on there, it makes it clean up a little bit easier. They also have the Hide Wipes, which is basically like a wipe that you can use to clean up the dirt. It has 2 different sides for different abrasions, so kind of handy. Maybe throw this in your car, especially if you're out there bashing. I usually come back with really dirty cars, and I don't really have water or anything with me out there when I'm bashing at the BMX park, or out there on construction sites or whatever. So having something handy you can wipe it down, throw away the wipes afterwards is pretty convenient. And finally, they got one of their other famous products, which is the Udder Butter. So this is a full-on grease, multi-purpose grease for shock O-rings, diff O-rings as well. A lot of people don't realize this, but you actually need to lubricate the diff O-rings on all the individual outdrives. The outdrives actually are rotating against those O-rings. If they're not lubricated, they will tear a lot more easily. They'll leak a lot more easily. One reason why people have leaky diffs is because they didn't basically grease those O-rings. Also usable as like a ring and pinion type grease. It is waterproof, sort of in this giant tube, this giant syringe. So it comes with quite a bit of product right there in one simple syringe. So yeah, that's a quick overview of the CowRC products. I'm going to be trying these out. To be quite honest, I know a lot of people use CowRC products. They've been very happy with them. They actually think they make the best maintenance products out there. So yeah, looking forward to trying these out. If you want to check them out, go to CowRC.com. You can pick up any of these products and more as well. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit the like, share, subscribe buttons. Look for more videos soon. Thanks for watching.